Most people get this wrong. They pick a secured credit card based only on approval, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring long-term cost, credit growth, and upgrade potential. In this video, we are doing a full comparison of OpenSky versus Capital One secured in 2026, so you can decide which one actually helps you build credit faster. Let's start with the basics. The OpenSky secured Visa credit card is known for one big thing: easy approval. Even if Alex has never had a credit card or has been denied before, he can still get approved because there is no credit check. Now compare that with the Capital One secured MasterCard, which also helps beginners build credit, but with a different strategy. With a different strategy. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Both cards help you build credit, but the way they support your long-term financial growth is very different. But here's the problem most beginners don't realize at first. They focus only on approval and ignore fees, upgrade paths, and long-term benefits. Let's break it down step by step. Now, first, approval. OpenSky is easier to get because there is no credit check at all. That makes it ideal for someone like Jake who has been denied multiple times or is starting completely from zero. Capital One, however, may require a basic credit review, but it is still designed for beginners and people rebuilding credit. Now let's talk about cost. OpenSky charges an annual fee. That means you are paying just to keep the account open. Capital One secured cards often have no annual fee, which immediately gives them a long-term advantage. Now here's the part most people care about: credit growth. Both cards report to major credit bureaus, which is good for building credit history. But Capital One has a stronger upgrade system. That means if you use the card responsibly, you may graduate to an unsecured card and get your deposit back. OpenSky does not have as strong of an upgrade path, so many users stay in secured status longer. In a minute, I'll show you the single habit that matters more than which card you choose when it comes to building credit fast. Now, let's talk usability. Capital One often gives higher flexibility and better long-term product ecosystem. OpenSky is more basic but very accessible. So which one is better? If you need guaranteed approval with no credit check, OpenSky works. But if you want long-term credit building with lower cost and better upgrade potential, Capital One secured is usually the stronger choice. Let's make it simple. OpenSky is easier to get. Capital One is easier to grow with. Let's summarize everything clearly. OpenSky is best for absolute beginners who need guaranteed approval right away. Capital One secured is better for long-term credit building because it has no annual fee in many cases and a stronger path to upgrade. If this helped you understand OpenSky versus Capital One secured in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit comparisons like this.